Hello, let's learn some colors. Red color, purple color, pink color, brown color, yellow color, black color, light green color, orange color, dark green color, light blue color. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. A for red color. A for apple. A for ant. Red color. A for apple. Dark blue color. B for ball. B for bat. B, dark blue color. B for banana. B, light green color. C for cat. C for cat. C for cow. Light green color. C. A, B, C. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Purple color. 1. Brown color. 2. Number 2. Brown color. Pink color. 3. Number 3. One, two, three. A, B, C. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.